Okay, guys, so I got a fabric sheet. And I'm bringing a fabric sheet through here. And I also have the alcohol, the fabric softener, and rubbing alcohol mix. Because the static in this is real, okay? The static is just sticking to each other horribly. So this is supposed to help reduce some of this static. So that's what I'm doing, spraying it to help reduce, because the static, when I tell you it's crazy in this dress, it's crazy. Y'all remember back in the day, that YouTube, way back in the day, it was a DIY, you know, that people got on YouTube when they want to learn something. So when a lot of people be wondering, what's going on? What is she doing? Why is she showing us this? And why is she showing us that? That I want to go back to when YouTube was popping, and what's popping now too, but when that's what it was for, when you didn't know how to thread a sewing machine, or when you didn't know how to do this. And I feel like a lot of how-to videos is getting lost because there's a lot of other things that's going on YouTube, but I wanted to remember what YouTube was about. So when y'all wonder why she's showing this, why she's showing that, that's what YouTube was originally. It was a DIY, like for the sewing machine you might get and might not know how to use it. People was loading how-to videos, and that's kind of where I want to get back to. So when y'all wonder, like, why is she showing us her sewing this dress, or why is she showing us this, or why is she showing us that, because that's what YouTube did, and that's why I learned a lot of things. And I feel like we're not finding a lot of, like, if you start Googling stuff, you ain't seeing a lot of that no more, because they're not putting how-to videos out as much as they used to. So I wanted to go back to what YouTube was. And so my channel, when y'all see me, it's DIYs, okay? It's DIYs, and if I learn to move on my skates, or if I cook something and I'm doing it in the air fryer, if I'm making something, my channel is like a DIY. So I'm not following the trend. So I wanted you guys to know that. So y'all be lost, like, what is this lady doing? Why is she, you know, showing us this? Nobody cares. YouTube was a DIY. So that's what I'm doing. I want to get back to that. So I took fabric softener, 1 cup of water, 5 teaspoons of fabric softener, rubbing alcohol, and what I'm doing is putting it on this dress, because this dress is full of static that is sticking together horribly. So trying to get all the static out. So that's what I want to get back to, what YouTube was. And you know, for something that you're trying to learn how to do, that's what I want to get back to. I want to get back to that. But yeah, this dress has so much static in it. It's just on top of each other with static. So that's what I want to get back, guys. So if y'all be confused on what's going on, why she's showing us this, nobody cares. So for the people that don't care, don't watch it. But for the people that's into design and you want to learn some things, my channel is a how-to channel. You know, if I learn something, if I get something, if I get a product, I want to display it. I want to tell y'all about it, you know. So I want to bring that back. I'm a how-to channel. Yes, I'm not, even though my channel is monetized, but I'm not into trends and stuff like that. I just want to showcase what I'm doing, how I did it, how it worked out for me, where I purchased the fabric from, stuff like that. So for the next designer, they could, you know, do it as well. So I did do a fabric sheet too. So I'm gonna buy some fabric spray, but right now I don't have it. You know, you okay? So that's what I'm trying to do, get these things to stop sticking, because it's sticking horribly. So okay, guys, just wanted y'all to know that what my channel is about and what I'm gonna be doing, so y'all will know and understand what's going on. Because I know a lot of, what is she doing? What's going on in this video? That's what's going on. All right, guys. Toodles.